and the cold and lonely winds won't cease to blow. And there seems to be no reason for the suffering that we feel. We are tempted to believe God doesn't know. When the storms arise, don't forget we live by faith and not by sight. Bow the knee, trust the heart of your Father when the answer goes beyond what you can see. Bow the knee, lift your eyes toward heaven and believe the one who holds eternity. And when you don't understand the purpose of His plan, in the presence of your